Most people are still chasing success, working longer hours, waiting for promotions, hoping something changes. But the world changed. AI didn't just create new tools. It created leverage. And leverage changes income. Welcome to Rich by Robots, where we don't chase success, we code it. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to build an AI income stream step by step. No hype, no fantasy, just structure. Let's build. Before we talk tactics, we need to fix something. Most people try to make money with AI the wrong way. They download 15 tools. They watch tutorials for weeks. They experiment, but they never build. Because they're focused on tools, not systems. Tools don't make money, systems do. AI is not the income, it's the accelerator. It speeds up what you build. So instead of asking, what AI tool should I use? Ask, what system am I building? That's the shift. Stop chasing the newest, shiniest tool and start thinking about the engine you're constructing. Because a powerful engine with a clear destination will always outperform a fancy car driving in circles. Once you make this mental shift, everything else starts to fall into place. It's the difference between being a consumer of AI and a creator with AI. So, step 1, pick a profitable problem. Income follows problems, not trends. If you want to build an AI income stream, start here. Pick one clear problem people deal with repeatedly. Things like budgeting, weight tracking, meal planning, content creation, study organization, or small business marketing. Don't overcomplicate it. You don't need something revolutionary. You need something useful. Because money follows usefulness, not creativity alone. Once you identify the problem, define it clearly. For example, don't just say, help people save money. That's too broad. Instead, get specific. Help busy moms track weekly expenses in under 10 minutes. See the difference? Specific problems attract specific buyers. It cuts through the noise and speaks directly to someone who needs exactly what you're offering. That specificity is what converts. Now, step 2. Use AI to build a simple solution. This is where AI becomes your superpowered assistant. You open your AI tool of choice and you give it a clear command. For example, create a 30-day beginner budgeting planner outline. Or generate a weekly meal planning template for busy families. AI gives you that structure instantly, saving you hours or even days of work. But here's the key. You refine it. You organize it. You simplify it. Your job is to be the editor, the curator. Don't try to build something massive. Build something focused. 10 to 20 pages. One clear outcome. Solve one thing well. That's how digital products sell. It's not because they're huge, but because they're clear. A customer should be able to look at your product and know exactly the transformation they're getting. Simplicity sells. Step 3. Package it professionally. Presentation matters. And I'm not talking about perfection. I'm talking about clarity. Use a clean, simple design. Create a simple cover with a strong, compelling title and list the clear benefits right up front. Remember, you are not selling a PDF. You're selling time saved. You're selling stress reduced. You're selling clarity gained. People don't buy files. They buy outcomes. They buy a better version of themselves. So, when you design your product and write your sales page, focus on that transformation. Show them the after state they're trying to reach, and position your product as the bridge to get them there. Step 4. Launch before it's perfect. This is the step where most people get stuck and quit. They tweak endlessly. They redesign the cover for the 10th time. They second-guess the content. They get paralyzed by doubt. Don't do it. Launch version 1. The feedback you get from real customers is infinitely more valuable than your own overthinking. You improve based on real data, not imaginary fear. Perfection is an illusion that delays income. Execution is what builds it. Get your product out into the world. Your first version won't be your last. Think of it as your minimum viable product. Launch it, learn from it, and iterate. Step 5. Create authority content. Now we start to stack leverage. Instead of just running ads or directly promoting your product, you create helpful content around the problem it solves. If your product is about budgeting, teach budgeting tips. If it's about meal planning, share meal planning hacks. If it's about content, teach organization strategies. Authority builds trust, and trust builds sales. This is how you build a long-term, sustainable business. Content compounds. One video can bring you traffic and sales for months, even years. This is how systems scale without you having to push so hard all the time. You're building an asset that works for you. And that brings us to the compounding effect. This is the part of the journey most people never experience because they give up too soon. Compounding. One product becomes two. Two becomes five. Your content library grows. Your audience grows. That first month feels slow, maybe even discouraging. But momentum builds quietly in the background. Your assets grow. Your systems stabilize. And then suddenly you realize you're no longer chasing income. You're managing it. The effort you put in today pays dividends for years to come. That's the power of building systems, not just chasing sales. AI will not make you rich overnight. Anyone who tells you that is selling a fantasy, but it will make you faster, smarter, more efficient. And when you combine that speed with smart systems, income inevitably follows. We don't chase success here. We code it. This is Rich by Robots. Build smart. Build automated. Build rich. Thanks for building with me. I'll see you in the next one.